misfits. They ain't switching out ride, it's raining outside, I hope I don't hit you. I'm a time bomb, tick, tick, Rich Mill, that's some Rick.
What's poppin' YouTube? I'm finna show y'all how to do the fastest mid fade in the world, step by step. First and foremost, we come in with our trimmers or our ball clipper, whatever one y'all prefer to use. I know they got some people out there that use like this wall balding clipper. It don't matter what you use, just put in your first ball guideline with something that could ball your client. As y'all can see, I started off like in the middle, right? That's why I'm calling it a mid fade, because I started smack in the middle of his head. That's where his fade gonna start at. After that, I grab my wall seniors, and this is open, right? This one right here is open, and when you move it up, that's closed, all right? That's closed, but we're going to go in the open position. We're going to go up about a half an inch. We do a half an inch on his hair texture because his hair texture is very, very coarse. So with my coarse clients, I like to keep the fade tight for a more smoother transition, because more than likely if they hair real coarse, that means it's real dark. So I want to keep the fade and the transition real smooth when it comes to my coarse hair clients. Then I come in with my one all the way open. We got the clipper all the way open again, going up another half an inch. We're going to keep these guidelines consistent because we don't want no sloppy fade. So I come in and then I just take my clip and I close it. Initially, I already knew I was supposed to close it, but I wanted to show y'all the difference in how much hair take off when it's open versus when it's closed. So as y'all can see, when it's closed, it's taking off way more hair than it was open. And this the desired length that I'm going for on this second guideline. So I just wanted to show y'all the difference, that's all. So right here, we're going to go ahead and start debulking. We got that 1.5 on there, and we're going to close it all the way. Like I said, this is very coarse. So we're going to knock that guideline out by going up with this 1/2, debulking the top of the hair. Now, I'm about to slap the 0 on there, right? We got the 0 guard on there all the way closed. And we're going to knock this line out right here. We're going to knock that out, blend that in. So I start from the very bottom of the line because we don't want to initially like take it out. We want to really blend it in. So as I'm going up, I'm flicking out. Like, I'm going to have to do another video where I show y'all what I mean by flicking out. But to not create another guideline, you have to flick out. Like, that's the main thing when it comes to fading. Making sure that you are flicking out. Now we're going to knock this line out right here. I'm going to go all the way close on my clipper. However, I cannot tell y'all to go all the way close and knock this line out because it's all about what clipper you use and what's best for your client, what's best for your fade. I can go all the way close because, like I said, his hair is real coarse and I've been cutting his hair for a long time. So I can go all the way close, and as you can see, like, that line just being knocked out beautifully. It's just blending in beautifully, but I know to do that, right? On your client, you might have to do trigger play. That's open and close, you know, like I'm doing now, just open the clipper a little bit. I can't initially tell you like what exactly to do. Now, I'ma just down fade, knocking down the rest of the bulk on his head, and as y'all can see, in just those easy steps, like, we got a fade that's brought together beautifully. Like, I'm just, whatever I seen in the mirror, I'm just touching up right now. But basically, this was like just a few steps just for y'all to practice on y'all client. And like, that's it. Like, beautiful.